Hi folks, my name's Chuck Newt, and I'm with One Geek Pig Barbecue, and you're watching a new episode of How to Make a Barrel Grill. And so I've been working on the hinges here for the hatch, and we're going to get turned around and show you what we got going on here. Alright folks, so what I've done here, this is 3/8 inch round. And what I did was I did this differently than I did on the big smoker over there. If you've seen that video or series of videos, what I did was I took my my grinder over there with a cutting wheel on it, and I cut most of the way through, all but I'm going to say probably 2/3 of the way through. Then I bent it, and then I hit it with the welder to close up the gap on there a bit. And what I got here, this is 1/2 inch square tubing that I bought at Menards actually, and it's pretty thin gauge. It's I mean, it's about the thickness of the strapping here, maybe a little thicker than the strapping even. And this will fit right in here like so. Now what I got to do, I've got to take a torch. I'm going to heat it about here and bend it on down, and hopefully I've got enough oxygen left in my tanks there to take care of it. I don't think I could do this with the map gas. Obviously that didn't work out very well. What I need to do is weld this down to the tank before I do anything else. Okay, so our lid is now officially a part of the grill again, or the barrel. Now then, my next mission, I gotta figure out what I want to do for a lid stop here on this. Something that'll just let it go to about there. Not too bad. I gotta do a little bit of lid tweaking now. I had it fit real nice, and now that I heated things up and with the torch and the welder, now things have kind of warped a little bit on it. So let me get that done. Alright folks, so what I've done, I've taken me a piece of 1 inch by 1/8 inch flat stock, and I've cut it 9 inches long. I've gone up 4, down 5, and then I scored it with my grinder with the cutting wheel on it, and allowed me to bend it right there like that. So now I'm going to see about getting it welded on here. These are just a couple tack welds I'm putting on here. Let's see if we can't get a good finish weld on here. I'm going to put a weld across the top right here. Alright, looks good. There we go. you how it works. That perfect lean-to on the thing, so I can reach it from the front. Alright folks, well it's probably going to be a few nights before I get back to this. We're supposed to have some weather come in. It's supposed to rain for the next 2 days, and then it's supposed to go down into the 30s again. Quite different from short sleeves. Had quite the spring actually already, and there's still a lot of spring to go. Alright, so where do we go from here? Next thing that we're going to go work on probably is going to be my racks. I've still got racks to do. I've still got to put a stack on it, and I'm also going to put a table on it, then painting. So I've got basically 4 projects, well maybe 5, because there's going to be 2 racks, one for the charcoal and or wood, and one for the cooking grate. And so there you go folks. Well, do me a favor, if you like what you're seeing down here at the right hand corner, hit like and subscribe, and stay tuned. There's always more to come. Thanks for watching.